How to change app icon color on iOS 18. Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your app icon color on iPhone running iOS 18. So, make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. To start customizing your app icons, tap and hold any blank space on your home screen to enter edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, tap on Edit from the top left corner of the screen. Then select Customize at the bottom. You'll now see 4 options. The default is light mode, but you can switch to dark mode, which changes all your app icons to darker colors and dims the wallpaper. If you want to keep the background light while using dark icons, tap on the sun icon. The newest option is tinted. Here, you can pick any color you like by adjusting the top slider for color and the bottom slider for intensity. If you want to match the color to something on your wallpaper, tap the eyedropper tool to pick any color directly from the background. Once you've selected your preferred color, just close the customization screen, and your app icons will now display the new color. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.